Afternoon po sa sila. Happy birthday po kay Sir Wilbert. Sir, meron po kami ang idea kung kanina po kanina sa Pilipinas. Kaya parang na-idea si Sir. Sir, meron po siyang message para po sa inyo na babasahin ko na po. Happy birthday, Han. I love you so much. Bali, short message lang po. Meron po ba kayong gustong sabihin, sir? Para kay Mama.
Ibu. Hindi. Salamat. Thank you for your love. Love you too.
Pagka may message din po yun. Message na si Sir God. Nalang po natin si Sir na happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mabilis naman po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Next na lang po, sir, bago natin doon. Happy birthday po.
If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be single forever till I met you. Usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of keeping me coming back to back. I just found out the only reason that you loving me was to get back at your ex-lover, but before you leave, usually I would never even care. Baby, I know you're creeping, I feel it in the air. Every night and every day, I try to make you stay, but you're